What's up, YouTube? This is actually a video about Scarboy. So Scarboy, he's pretty cool. I like his covers. What I like about it is his voice when he sings the songs. Seriously, it's freaking crazy actually. But Scarboy, I would really like to be in your team because I'm actually making a new channel, and it's gonna be called
Mr. Clownface.
So actually, I'm 39 years old, but I'm a big fan of Slipknot. So as you, so if you want to be actually in our team, Mr. Scarboy, then write the comment below, subscribe, be on my channels, and if anybody that's actually watching the video, somebody else except anybody else and Scarboy, actually, if you want to be like me and Scarboy, then actually buy a mask and sing one of the rock song covers. Green Day, 3 Days Grace, Slipknot, any type of rock songs, Hollywood Undead, all those rock songs. Anyways, if you're a big fan of Scarboy, then subscribe him or subscribe me as Mr. Clownface. And if you like this video, then give it a thumbs up. If you don't like this video, thumbs down. So if you want to see my channel of Mr. Clownface, then peace, YouTube, and Scarboy.